Etepu, peace and blessings to all from divine peace, meditation, and yoga. Baba Sekou and I were out here at about 4 a.m. and it was drizzling and windy, but you couldn't see nothing. And now I just came outside, get my toes in the grass. Toes on wet grass feel so good. Still drizzling. Still got more pruning to do. Wind kicked up about 20 miles an hour according to the forecast. That's all right. Everything looks all right over here. We got flowers. Over there with the peas. Elderberry looks all right. I think we lost the flowers on the kale, but we gonna be oh shoot. This one got twice as big since the last video. Let me hurry up and get them. Get the water. Harvest the rainwater. Just checking on things. Woo. Wind picking up. Let me get back in the house. Blessings to everybody that is in the storm or made it through the storm. Just checking on that everything is still standing. The wind keeps blowing this piece up. A little bit, hold it down. A little bit. Got garbage pickup going on. Oh shoot, what happened over here? Got the zinnias leaning. Prop them up a little bit. But it is. Everything got soaking. Everything perking up. Everything perking up. Ain't that beautiful? All right. Loving the rain. All praises. Walking through the wet grass and loving it. Everything leaning. Everything still growing. I harvested that lettuce. And it's growing new leaves, new flowers in the edible flower container. All right. Make your thought-provoking Thursday safe, healthy, and remember that we are already blessed in abundance. We just have to act like it. Blessed be.